Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to check your HDFC debit card EMI limit right from the HDFC Bank app. Whether you're planning a big purchase or just want to stay on top of your finances, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. It's 2025, and banking apps are more user-friendly than ever, so let's make this easy and fast. First things first, make sure you have the HDFC Bank app installed on your smartphone. If you don't, head to your app store, download it, and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard. That's your starting point. Step 1. Tap on the Cards section, usually found at the bottom of the screen or in the main menu. This is where all your card details are managed. Look for your debit card. It might be listed under My Cards or a similar tab. Next, in the debit card section, scroll down or search for EMI options or limits and offers. HDFC has made this straightforward. You should see an option for EMI limit or available EMI. Tap on that to view your current limit. It might show details like the maximum amount you can convert to EMIs based on your card's eligibility. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Head to the Services or More menu and look for Card Services. Sometimes, it's under EMI on debit card. Once you find it, the app will display your limit along with any terms and conditions. Pro tip: if your limit isn't what you expected, ensure your app is updated to the latest version for 2025 features. Also, keep an eye on your transaction history to see how EMIs affect your available credit. And there you have it. Checking your HDFC debit card EMI limit is that simple. This process usually takes less than a minute, saving you time and hassle. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more banking tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.